The process bonds any polymer to itself, to any other polymer, and to almost any other substrate. Substrates that we can bond with the process includes PTFE, nylon, silicone rubber, HDP, nitrile, polyethylene, polycarbonate, and then the common substrates of steel, wood, copper, leather, vinyl, rubber, ceramics, and more. The process bonds, glues, and epoxies glue. With bonding, you have a sharing of electrons. With glues, you have a sticky substance holding two different surfaces together. That's a big difference. The Tech Patch Repair System permanently repairs holes and cracks in all commonly used pipe and tank substrates, from HDPE pipe to steel, copper, PVC. When it goes on, it does not come off. The Tech Patch Repair System is a game changer. You don't have to replace steel pipe when it's damaged. You can repair it. You do not have to replace HDPE pipe when it's damaged. You can repair it. Wall thinning can be corrected with the Tech Patch Repair System, saving time, saving money. The polyfill is an integral part of the Tech Patch Repair System. With cracks, placing the polyfill in the crack will restore the structural integrity of the pipe or the tank. The polyfill can be used on steel pipe or HDPE pipe to add surface area. Adding surface area increases the strength. Polyfill can also be used to restore the corrosion allowance in the steel walls of storage tanks. The process, TPRS, and the polyfill are all proven technologies. They've been in fields for 7 years. They've been subjected to a number of engineering tests. Most of all, they work. Okay, what's our proof? With the process, it's been tested over the last 7+ years by individuals, engineers, scientists around the world. It has passed every test. The process has well over a 99% success rate. It has been incredible. TPRS is a little bit different story. Let's first talk about HDPE. Most of our sales have been to individuals who were repairing HDPE tanks and HDPE pipes. It does a superb job. It also works on steel pipes. With the polyfill, it will restore the lost corrosion allowance, as we've said. The engineering reports that we have, ISO 1167, measures with HDPE pipe the internal water pressure it can stand. With TPRS added to a 4-inch SDR11 HDPE pipe, the pipe withstood 1800 psi until it blew out. In ISO 13479, which measures do cracks propagate under a repair system, they did not. The cracks did not propagate with TPRS. We have measured one of our XT patches on steel pipe and rated it at 240 psi. It did not blow until above 300 psi. And then thermal cycling, the patches passed the thermal cycling test. We have a number of testimonials. We receive them regularly. You can check on Google, on our website, and several messaging boards on the website. Let's think a minute. We've got two new technologies: a way to bond polymers, a way to combine polymers into more useful solutions. New technologies solve problems. New technologies save money. New technologies make money. There are companies in business only because of the process. They're making money. In doing some research, I found the answer to the question on where most new innovations come from. They come from small businesses. We're a small business with two amazing technologies, and actually more to come. TPRS will save the economy millions, industries millions, companies millions. At the top is probably the oil and gas industry, which spends $1.8 billion a year on maintenance. Much of that is spent on replacement of pipe and replacement of tanks. One of the reasons is none of the repair systems on the market will repair a problem when it's small. They're just left to get bigger. With the polyfill, you can repair a problem when it's small by 3D printing a poly sheet onto the problem. TPRS repairs localized damage. Another industry, actually a $2 billion a year industry, to repair sewer pipe. By repairing, in today's terms, what is meant for sewer rehabilitation is relining the sewer. They have to reline the entire sewer because there was no way to repair the localized damage. Our polyfill will 3D print with the process a poly sheet on the localized damage, extending the time between the necessity for relining the pipe. One of the engineers at a major sewer rehabilitation company told me that the Tech Patch was the best tool that he had in his toolbox. Other industries that will save substantially with TPRS. One is boating. We are actually, within the next month, going to resurface the bottom of a boat, a plastic boat. That will save tens of thousands of dollars. Farming. Farmers have leaks all the time. A Tech Patch will fix that leak quickly, easily, and most importantly, inexpensively. To emphasize, quickly and inexpensively. Then transportation. The semi-trailers you see on the road develop leaks all the time. A Tech Patch will seal those leaks and prevent the damage that occurs regularly to the material inside of that semi-trailer. Tech Bond Services is our services arm. What Tech Bond Services will do is, first, we will send a trained team on site to repair your damaged problem. Everything from restoring the corrosion allowance, to repairing leaky pipes, to wrapping pipes. The second thing services does is to train your personnel so that they can repair the damaged pipes and tanks with the precision required. You might guess that using molecular bonding is an entirely different process than gluing or epoxying. If you guessed that, you would be correct. There's a precision required and generating a molecular bond. That's not part of using a sticky substance to hold two things together. We will train your people, we will certify your people so that they can do the repair that's needed, and you will save having us come on site. But we're also, since this is a new technology, learning things almost on a daily basis. We will share those things we learn, the tools that we develop, and the information that we have with all of our certified technicians. For more information, contact TechBond by emailing us at sales@tech-bond.net, or in the U.S., calling 877-565-7225. Now, we understand the disbelief. It took us, many of us, more than a year to fully believe that the process and TPRS did what they do every time. If you want to see, to feel, to touch, we will send samples of HDPE pipe and a steel plate with the polyfill on it for you to see, touch, and test. We will also send you copies of the test reports if you need them. Thank you for listening.